which is why I haven't been posting as many videos here as I normally would, but I hope you guys enjoyed the Shane Dawson cameo YouTube hater video. I had a lot of fun making that. Anyway, while I'm here, I wanted to share with you guys a few video clips that I've taken. I bought this underwater housing for my Canon camera, so I have been going snorkeling, I've been filming and taking so many photos of, well, pretty much everything underwater. This guy was feeding a sea turtle, which actually I don't think you're allowed to do, but he was doing it. He was feeding him seaweed. It was so funny because while he was feeding it, he couldn't hold on to the bag of seaweed, so we had to put it between his toes. My favorite clips, though, is I put the camera with the case in the sand, and then I fed some birds chips, and they attacked. As a lot of you guys know, I'm deathly afraid of water slides. I'm really scared. I'm going down the water slide. I got rid of my fear and I went down a water slide. All by myself, with my camera. So I guess it wasn't really by myself. It was with you guys. Alright, well thanks for watching. Leave me a comment with which clip was your favorite. And I'll see you guys on the internet. Bye!